Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to use Pictory in making faceless YouTube videos. So let's get started. To unlock a trending video style that doesn't reveal your face, enhance your video with text captions, narration, or breathtaking footage. Capture the essence of your video without showing your face as the creator or narrator. This style maintains your privacy, anonymity, and focus solely on the subject matter. Create impactful content, recap blogs, and promote your business seamlessly with faceless YouTube videos. So maximize the potential of faceless YouTube videos with Pictory. Craft compelling content that speaks volumes, all while keeping your face hidden. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.